We need light in order to see collections, but light irreversibly fades colors. To prevent or reduce fading while allowing collections to be seen, it is important to measure the intensity of light falling on collection objects. The light level on a surface, called illuminance, is measured in lux. Illuminance can be measured with a light meter. The smaller white, round sensor on the front of this device measures light levels. To measure the illuminance of two-dimensional objects, hold the device as close as possible to the surface of the object. Do not angle it towards the light source. Then push the yellow Viz button and wait for the reading to appear on screen. Take measurements at different locations on the object to obtain the maximum and minimum exposure values. To measure the illuminance of three-dimensional objects, hold the device as close as possible to the object. Take measurements at different locations on all sides of the object. Make sure that shadows do not fall on the sensor. Stand so that your hand and body doesn't cast a shadow on the sensor. Take measurements again when the lighting has changed, such as when it has been adjusted for a new exhibit. If daylight shines through a window, it's a good idea to measure light levels at different times of the day and at different times of the year, since lux levels from daylight can change hourly and with the seasons. These measurements should be taken into consideration when managing light risks. If you are displaying a loaned object, does the light level meet lighting requirements for the loan? Or is the light level in alignment with traditional museum lighting rules? If you want to do a more detailed risk analysis, you can make use of the Light Damage Calculator. To inquire about borrowing devices from CCI, please visit the Environmental Monitoring Equipment Loans webpage. For more information about the effects of light on collections, please visit CCI's website. See the links in the description below.